You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this fascinating word. I love this word. This is kind of an onomatopoeia, is it? It's just an exclamation, let's call it, to express scorn or anger or surprise. It's usually pronounced as ha. Ha, alright? Some may say it as ha, a schwa sound, but it's normally an a sound. The second H can be pronounced or not. The first one is ha. Some may say it as ha, but generally with a ha second H, but generally not. So it's generally pronounced simply ha, ha, an a sound, okay? Or ha. It's fine too, but generally surprise, ha, or ha, ha. Interesting, ha. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.